Welcome, I'm Aline, Training Coordinator at WorldVeg Center. The center is an international non-profit research and development institute. At the center, we not only develop the research area, but also contribute to the training sector. At the center, we accept the student every year from different countries, and the student can gain professional knowledge from different area, and some people will work on at the lab, and maybe other people need to go on the field to investigate. So if everyone can get your professional knowledge through your supervisor.
Hello everyone, myself Aparna Jyoti. I am pursuing BSc Agriculture from Junagadh Agricultural University. I came to World Vegetable Center for short-term internship. My topic is evolution of grafting compatibility in solanaceous species, and my guide is Dr. Ravisankar Manikam.
Hello everyone, myself Trangadia Parth. I am from Junagadh Agricultural University, standing at World Vegetable Center AVRDC in Taiwan. I am here for short-term internship for 2 months. The topic given is screening of insect resistance in bitter gourd under the guidance of Dr. Paula Sotelo.
Hello everyone, I am Tejas Borkhataria from Junagadh Agriculture University. I am here for short-term training in World Vegetable Center, Taiwan. My topic of study is IPM of Southern Blight of Tomato, and my guide is Dr. Lawrence and Assistant Specialist of Mycology, Dr. Wallace.
Hello, myself Dharmesh Singada from Junagadh Agriculture University. I am pursuing BSc Agriculture, and I came here in Taiwan at World Vegetable Center for short term.
Okay, hi. My name is Paola Sotelo, and I am an entomologist at the World Vegetable Center. I have been working with the center for the last almost 2 years now. And the entomology unit is part of the safe and sustainable value chain, one of the flagship areas in the center. So I'm very glad Part and Dharmesh had the opportunity to visit the center during this 2-month undergraduate internship, and they have a better idea of how to work with insects. Insects are very important for us because you start by reading them, and then you can have an idea on how the population or the development goes in particular accessions that we test. So we use two main crops. We use a bitter gourd for Bactrocera, and then we use a spider mite for eggplant. Using these two different crops, they were able to evaluate how was the resistance level or susceptible level of these plants when they were infested with these two insects. Also, they were able to work on doing some BT bioassays to understand how the BT or the resistance to these substances affect the mortality of some of the main crop pests that we work here at the center. Hope they are bringing good learning experience to the university, and that they had the opportunity not only to work very hard during the last 2 months, but also to visit and take a look on what Taiwan has to offer.
Hello, I'm Wallace Chen. I'm a pathologist in AVRDC, the World Vegetable Center. I've been here for around 15 years. My major job is some research issues related with fungal disease. It's very great to have a 2 months shortened internship by Tejas. I think he's very he works very hard in these 2 months. His topic is related to tomato southern blight. Southern blight actually is a very important disease on tomato production, especially for the tropic and the subtropic area. During his study, he is involved in the identification of the resistant tomato accessions, as well as try to confirm the efficacy of the commercial biocontrol agent. Also, he confirmed the pathogenicity and virulence of the pathogen isolate from different crops.
Hi, this is Ravi Shankar Manikyam, a scientist from World Vegetable Center. I am specialist in vegetable grafting. What we are doing is, in World Vegetable Center, we have developed a lot of rootstocks for grafting tomatoes that are resistant to biotic and abiotic stresses. So we had the 2 months interns from Junagadh Agriculture University, people doing BSc Agriculture. So we got one student, Miss Abarna Jyoti. So she came here for 2 months internship, and when she came, she learned about grafting, and she took about 50 wild germplasms from our gene bank, and she sowed the seeds. After the seedling production, she grafted the plants for its compatibility. She checked all those graft compatibility with the tomato. She found more than 50% of the accessions, they have a good compatibility with tomato, and she transplanted the plants for taking some more agronomic trials. So if those plants are good, it will help us to screen only those plants to have some biotic abiotic stress tolerance, because it is known that wild species have these traits. Apart from this work, she also worked in insectary, molecular biology. She learnt a lot of things on this, and also she helped in other grafting related work.
We are in the Taiwan, and this is from the Taipei insect area.
We all have learned agriculture technology. In that we have learned about stick insect. So we can see live stick insect here in this insect area. Due to the camouflage, it has changed the color from green to orange color. So we can identify the stick insect. It is separated from the green color like leaf. Otherwise, it is green color.
Myself Arjun. I am a PhD student from India, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. Here I am doing my PhD intern under direct in the pepper unit, WorldVeg. Here I am working on pepper for integration of anthracnose resistance from Bucketum to Annum. And here we have in this greenhouse we have BC2 F4 plants, that is the reals one. Like we are, today we have harvested the fruits for inoculation with anthracnose in the artificial condition.
Hello everyone, myself Aparna Jyoti. I came to the World Vegetable Center, Taiwan for 2-month internship, and here my topic was evaluation of grafting compatibility of tomato with different Solanaceous species. Here I mainly worked on the 50 different accession of the tomato, and I just checked the graft compatibility of different accession with the Solanum lycoporsicum. Here I really got the good opportunity for research, because here we can get all the instrument or all the equipment and all the facility of research, and I really enjoyed working in the World Vegetable Center.
Hello everyone, I am Borkhataria. I am an undergraduate student from Junagadh Agricultural University. I was here for a 2-month internship training, and my topic of the study was preliminary trials to control tomato southern virulence test. And I got lots of exposure here and lots of knowledge about the research works, and this opportunity is like a golden opportunity for me. So thank you so much Junagadh Agricultural University for giving me this opportunity.
Hello everyone, myself Singada Dharmesh. I am student of BSc Honours Agriculture in Junagadh Agricultural University. I came here in World Vegetable Center, Taiwan for short-term 2-month internship in entomology unit, and my topic for this short-term internship is screening of arthropod resistance on eggplant and check the toxicity of the BT biopesticide on the Maruca vitrata and diamond black moth. So I am here enjoying for in this research work for particular in screening for first growing the plants and rearing of the insect, and particular spider mite Maruca vitrata and diamond black moth, and then using the bioassay of check BT effect on the
Parth Rangadia. I am here at the World Vegetable Center, Taiwan. I am here under the one IDP project from Junagadh Agricultural University, and I got this golden opportunity for the international exposure, and I had learned a lot of things here about insect, rearing of melon fruit fly, and how to screen the resistance for some insects. I had specially worked on melon fruit fly to put in bitter gourd. So, and then I had also tested the effects of BT biopesticide, different strains, that is Coach-T, Trimax, Azwai, etc.
做研究或做短期研究，那就再见喽，亲爱的朋友，拜拜。
下次可以在台湾见到你们，或者是有时候我如果去印度的话，也可以找你们。那期待你们下次再来哦，拜拜。
OK。
再见。